Okay, so ngayon magsosolve tayo ngayon ng isang problem about illumination. So the illumination of a surface 3.4 meters directly below a light source is 25 lux. Find the intensity of the light source. So first, try natin isulat muna yung mga given. So meron daw tayong distance between the light source and yung surface na 3.4 meters. So D or distance is equal to 3.4 meters. So kung i-illustrate natin ito, so kunyari meron tayong light source dito and meron tayong surface. So ang distance daw between them is 3.4 meters. Okay. Next, meron tayong illumination sa surface na yon na 25 lux. So E is equal to 25 lux. Okay. So after natin masulat yung given, ilagay na natin kung ano yung applicable na formula para sa problem na to. So for illumination, so meron tayong formula na E is equal to I over D square. So yung E natin, yun yung illumination. Yung I naman natin, yun yung luminous intensity. Or it is measured in candelas. Yung pinaka-common na unit na itong luminous intensity candela. Then meron tayong distance. So nasa baba siya. So ito yun. Meron na tayong distance na given. So kung titignan natin, ipa-plug lang natin yung mga values na meron tayo. And masosolve na natin yung luminous intensity natin. Okay. So, E, 25. I natin, so yun yung hinahanap. And D square, so 3.4 square. Okay. So, solving for I. So, kung i-derive natin yung formula ng I is equal to E times D square, diba? So, meron tayong 25 multiplied by 3.4 square. Okay, so let's solve for I. So, kung titignan natin yung magiging value ng I, so ita-type lang natin, so 25 times 3.4 square, and ang sagot natin is 289. So, yung luminous intensity natin is 289. And yung unit na ito is CD or candela. Okay, so ang sagot sa problem na to is letter C, 289 candelas. Okay, so with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. God bless guys. Goodbye.